Do you want another apple cider drink?
I do.
Ian, do you want another apple cider drink?
Yeah, sure.
Of course you do. And we're gonna add rum to it and a little ginger. It's gonna be spicy. Watch it.
Welcome to Comment Cocktails. Dan, Derrick, and Ian are going to make for you a drink for whatever day it is. It's called the, I don't even know. The Stonewall.
This is called the Stonewall.
Yeah, this drink is invented by Dale Degroff. I said last week that drink was Dale Degroff. That wasn't Dale Degroff. This is the Dale Degroff drink. It's December 10th. The other one was like...
He'll edit that. It'll be fine.
I will have to... I'm probably forget, but
yeah,
if I did, I apologize.
He makes a lot of drinks,
yeah.
So...
Yeah, he may be the other one. I don't know. Our executive producer is Mathew. Mathew already had an executive producer. Sam Schwartz is our executive producer for this one. The cocktail is going to be modeled, as you see Ian doing over there with his.
It's gonna be what?
Ginger.
Model.
We're gonna model it.
I got a Boston accent. What do you want from me? It's got lots of cars. This recipe is going to be an inch of fresh ginger peeled, and an ounce and a half. No, a teaspoon and a half. 1.5 teaspoons.
Half a tablespoon.
Half a tablespoon? Why the fuck? Okay. Half a tablespoon, whatever. Of simple syrup, 1.5 ounces of aged rum, 1.5 ounces of apple cider, 1.5 ounces of chilled ginger beer, slice of apple, lime wedge, garnish, done.
Sounds fantastic.
Yeah. It's gonna be super simple. The modeling is part of the cocktail design. That's what he did at first. You just add your sugar, your ginger, boom. You add all the ingredients on top, add some ice, shake that shit up, boom, boom, boom. Put it in your drink, and you're done. And by your drink, I mean...
Topping it with some ginger beer.
That thing. That's a lowball glass. Available at AwesomeDrinks.com. Using coupon code HOLIDAY20. Save 20% off till the end of the year, December 2020. Whoa, my bad.
So here's another apple cider drink. We're trying to find the perfect apple cider
cocktail for the season.
Yes.
When is the season over? They're not paying attention.
They're never paying attention.
I don't know when the fall season. December, it's kind of the end of the fall, but you can still drink apple cider.
Yeah.
Ooh, you got air. That's pretty badass. Now what are you gonna do? Double strain this drink. I added that to the ingredients because
Ginger.
Ginger. The pieces will probably be big enough not to get into the springs.
Well, you can see there's some.
Oh, there is some.
Good call, Derrick.
They didn't call for that. This Dale Degroff should
spread it up.
He should have fucking figured that out, but he didn't. So we're just gonna top it and we're gonna drink it, and it's gonna be tasty.
Oh, see?
Zippity bap. That's right.
Wow, you put it on the right spot.
See that?
Yeah.
I know. Looks good.
You know what? It looks like orange juice. Like naturally squeezed orange juice. No. Let's see. Whoa, shit!
Jesus
it's full.
Christ.
Derrick's got a drinking problem.
You're all over yourself. Did you fucking put that thing on
No,
top
when he
of that
slammed
again?
it came down because
What?
you got a drinking problem.
What? I didn't do that shit.
You have a drinking problem. That's all I'm saying.
Oh, it's good.
I know you. That's all.
There was difficulty with that sip.
5 times. Yeah, I pulled away when it was full. You top that shit to the top.
That's a problem.
Top to the top, bitches.
No. The ginger really comes through, obviously.
Yes, but the ginger gets rid of the hollow flavor from the cinnamon.
It does.
Or from the
apple cider is just kind of lost in it, though.
Yeah? But it fills it out, because, like...
It is.
How much? Oh, I guess...
It kind of does. The ginger kind of rounds it out.
Yeah.
The apple cider, you don't really taste much of the rum. The ginger beer, too, is also, like, takes over... Can take over a drink.
It can. It made by spicy heat. Not even fucking phase him.
Nothing. Deep conversation over there. It's hush hush whisper.
Really? Remember last time Dan got hit in the nose?
Yeah, and I'm not even the one that threw it.
Yeah. Ian instigates and Dan gets hurt.
That's how it should be.
Are you sure on a cinnamon stick?
Yes. I couldn't see throwing it away after one drink that lasted 2 minutes.
But it's not a bamboo flower, so we're all good.
It's more like a...
He's not gonna get sick and it's not gonna smell like fish.
Yeah, I'll probably still get sick.
So it's a good drink.
I like that drink.
It's a good, refreshing.
You want to take another sip of it before we?
It's a good, refreshing.
It's spicy. I like spicy. The fact is, the spiciness distracts me from things that I didn't like about some of the other ones. Was just the missing third quarter of like flavor. Like it didn't have the clove or something. Like this one, the ginger makes it distracts you, so you're not like looking for some other flavor because it's just like right up in your grill.
It's almost like the apple cider kind of calms the ginger flavor.
Yeah, it just brings it down. You don't taste. It's not as appley.
Yeah.
As the other drinks. Like,
Yeah.
It doesn't taste as holiday-like because it doesn't have the apple forward flavor with the cinnamons. And
No.
she's really... It's not... we're filming in October. There's
I
time.
want a holiday drink.
It's good.
It's good, but like, it's just not as apple.
What do you think, Popeye?
It's good.
Bye-bye.
Like, yeah.
Yeah, right. It's not bad.
It's kind of like
I
the
don't know
spicy
if it's-
zing of a mule, like with a holiday flair to it.
Yeah.
It's like a mule with flair, and it doesn't have vodka, so thank fucking God.
It's like a festive meal.
Yeah, with a real rum.
Holly
and all that
berries
stuff.
on it.
Yeah.
Shit.
The rum definitely like disappears in it.
Yeah, don't use a really intense rum. Like, we're probably using a little higher. Bully Boys are probably a little bit more than what you need for this drink.
I love
But it does call for an aged rum.
Yeah.
But this is actually a Dale Degroff drink. Oh, by the way, happy Dewey Decimal System Day.
Nice.
For those that remember that, if you're old enough, everybody who should be
Look at
drinking
that.
should
That's
probably
when you
have.
went to the library.
Yeah, I'm fairly certain. Okay, I'm not true. This might not be the case.
I still could never figure out.
But
how to
I
use
feel
that.
like if you're 21, you've probably had to use the little pull-out things. But maybe. No? Is it? Are we really old?
That's 20 years
I
after us.
remember microwaves.
Yeah.
Oh my god.
I know my research on micro.
Yeah.
Like if you're in your 30s,
Maybe.
maybe.
Question of the
If you're in your
day.
40s, yes.
Did you, in third grade, roughly, I know because I did
How
third
about,
grade
did you
twice,
ever use the Dewey Decimal System?
Did-
And how old are you?
Did you
Yes.
have to? Did you have to use
Yeah.
the little
Yeah.
pull-out
You did.
cards?
Who's your
and flip
daddy and
through
what does he do?
Yeah.
and go figure out? And then they made you hunt for specific books based
It's
on
not a
specific
tumor.
areas,
Not a tumor.
and you got to pull out the right book, where it was on the shelf.
Yeah, you did. You had to go look at the Dewey Decimal
Yeah,
System and
you
then
gotta
go
use
find it on the
They would
shelf.
quiz you to figure out if you could find it on the shelf. All great information.
Steven's got your cocktail.
What is it?
I'll tell you after.
Autumn cocktail.
You can't know.
Fall from
It's
the
got
tree.
pornographic material in it.
Found on liquor.com.
Here.
1.5 ounce of Calvados, 1 ounce of fresh apple juice, ½ ounce of cinnamon
That's it.
syrup,
That's the
1/4
drink.
ounce of lemon juice, and a dash of aromatic bitters.
That's the one that you're trying to
That
make.
is
That's the drink
one-
we were trying to
that's
make.
all your drink.
You can always make it at commonmancocktails.com because we've got all the shit.
That's right.
It's good?
It's good.
Alright, I trust John.
I don't know if it's, I don't know if it's
Oh, I can smell
necessarily.
the
feel like-
That's
Yeah, no, it's good.
Delicious.
Yeah.
I don't know if it is. It's kind of festive.
It's festive. It's early fall. That's
Yeah.
early fall.
Ooh, that's yummy.
But this is December 10th.
But she was just shitting on
That is a
it. She just
really
shat on it like 2 minutes ago.
That's because
I'm
I
gonna try
said
that.
Good.
That's because I said it.
Yeah, I know.
Well, just because I said it wasn't holiday, but this is delicious.
It's good, yeah. It's a good drink.
There's a lot of ginger in this. I like that.
There is.
You know,
The-
you do a lot of complaining, Dan.
Is that
There's
just
a
for
lot of
muddling, or is there
complaining.
ginger
Yeah.
beer?
There's a
Oh,
lot
there's
of
ginger beer.
editing
There's a top with
and
ginger
If anybody wants to, like, I don't know.
Whatever, Dan.
Okay, Dan, I'll leave.
You know you're.
I know, Dan.
You're
Yes.
so full of shit, Dan.
So there you go. It's a good drink.
You know you're
Everybody
right.
likes
It's
it.
a good drink.
Yeah.
This was invented apparently at the Silverleaf Tavern in New York City by Dale Degroff. That's your history
I
behind
do
this drink.
like this.
It's a good. It's actually refreshing.
It's
I-
like
the ass book.
spicy.
Yeah.
I like it.
It's refreshing.
I would suggest
Spicy.
creating this
Because
if you
it's got fresh ginger in it.
if it's got fresh ginger and it's got using Q ginger beer, which is a spicier beer
I
ginger
don't know,
beer.
it's kind of. I don't know. I think it's kind of holiday-ish.
It is.
I'll buy it.
It's like early fallish.
Yeah.
It's like if you want like a more refreshing.
According
apple
to Derrick,
cocktail.
This is a September drink.
I don't think I said
It's like early October,
which it is.
or it's like Thanksgiving, like Like it's 11 o'clock on Thanksgiving, like 11 a.m.
Like early
turkey.
Yeah, it's like 11 a.m. You want something, you kind of want to pep it up. You don't want it to be apple cider. Like you have this drink.
yourself down with some
Yes.
appetizers.
Yes.
You need a refresher.
You need to burp. You need to digest.
I just ate
Yes.
way too much cheese and crackers.
Yes.
You're all done drinking. You had some red wine already.
There's a
You
lot of
used to drink
stories.
something more without feeling bad about yourself.
Yeah.
Because it's the holiday. Yeah.
Listen, it's just December.
And the
10th.
problem is there's family around, so.
I just need to balance out the oils.
Yeah.
That's right.
You
Before
got-
my tofu turkey.
So use this for Thanksgiving and or the holidays around December 10th when
Yeah.
this video goes out on the Dewey Decimal System Day.
But see, everybody that was on live stream
That's a sin.
can now go and
My sister's
make this drink for Thanksgiving, and that's the bonus
Fair.
of being on the live stream.
See, always turning it around to find
See?
positive when it was a negative.
Yeah,
That shouldn't be a thing.
Boom.
that's why we love our live stream.
So that's, my friend, the stuff.
All right.
You can use Holiday 20 again to save 20% off at AwesomeDrinks.com so you can buy your cocktail gear, your shakers, all that stuff. Sidebar.
You need all that shit for Thanksgiving, so you better get it.
Right. But this is December 10th.
You need all that shit for Christmas because
Yes!
you're gonna have a lot of people over the house and New Year's. If you can't make drinks by New Year's, nobody's gonna want to come over your house.
Yes.
If
Right.
you can make drinks, because you're not going out.
All
Nobody's going out.
All-
So you better buy some shakers before they're gone, because there's only like 5 left. So you better get it.
He's like under here. He's all I sell everything that's under my bar.
All the bitters and all this shit. Shh, let me look. Let me look at the inventory.
Run it along.
It looks a little low. You better get your shit now. 1995.
Bottom line, Christmas won't be the same, the correct way of doing it without your bartender starter kit from AwesomeDrinks.
No.
Okay.
You want to impress your friends. You want them to come over your house.
Yeah.
Little parties, not big ones, right?
Six
That's
people.
right. You gotta be COVID
Little,
safe.
yeah, gotta be safe.
Yeah.
Little
That
parties.
cinnamon stick is an issue.
What issue is that? Does
Okay,
it taste delicious?
that's all
She's
down
jealous.
there. There's some stuff over there.
I can't hear you over all the sound of everything.
We're done. We're teaching you how to drink.